Hello, welcome to Digiprink. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make this beautiful flat type Sintra Board photo frame with a fun YouTube inspired design. It looks just like a YouTube video player. This is such a great idea if you're looking to start a small business since it's simple and affordable to make. You can sell this as a personalized gifts, use them for giveaways, or even keep as a cute wall decor piece at home. For this tutorial, I'll be using Canva to create the design. Open Canva and create a new design. Choose the A4 size. Click Upload, then upload the YouTube-inspired photo frame. Click on the photo frame to add it to your design. Click Upload, then upload the photo you want to add to the frame. Click the photo and drag it onto the frame. Click the frame, then click Position, then click Forward. Drag and position the photo the way you want it. Click the photo once to select it. Double-click on the photo. This will open crop mode and adjust it as needed. Click Upload and add any round picture you like. Drag, adjust, and place it on the top right side of the frame. Click Text. Then choose any font style you want. Type any message you'd like to add to your frame. You can search for text styles using the search bar. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can download it for printing. Click Share. For the file type, I choose PNG. Then click Download. For printing, I use an Epson A121 printer with pigment ink. This is for long-lasting print quality. I print it on iTech glossy vinyl sticker paper. Once your photo is printed, here are the materials you'll need: scissors, cutter, ruler, squeegee, metal corners, pliers, 3mm Sintra board, and PhotoTop. Carefully cut out the printed photo sticker. Cut a piece of PhotoTop. Peel a small part of the PhotoTop backing and fold it over. Apply it to the sticker photo, then peel off the rest of the backing. Apply the laminated sticker photo on the Sintra board. Cut the Sintra board using the cutter and ruler. Then, attach the metal corners using pliers to tighten and secure them in a place. Once done, apply double-sided adhesive to the back of the frame. And now you can paste it on the wall as a decoration. And we're done! We have our beautiful flat type Sintra board photo frame. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more DIY and personalized craft videos. See you in the next one!